just around here. So I want to show you a product I picked up at the Home Depot. It's a lighted doorbell. It normally costs $13.97. I'm sure some of you have paid that price for it, but just Ron will not pay that price because he's cheap. So I'm going to show you how to install it really quick here. How to install a doorbell that has lights on it on a budget. Alright everybody, so if you look at the doorbell we have now, it is a standard doorbell with a light on it. It works, right? But just the light does not work anymore on it. So not sure why it doesn't light anymore. I'm sure this $13 model will work a lot better, even though I only paid $3. Hate to keep bringing that up. So what I'm gonna do is take this off here, this doorbell off here, and then show you how to install this one. If you look at the instructions on the back, it's pretty simple. It just says remove the existing push button, switch the wires, attach, and you're done. Comes with 2 screws on the bottom too, which you'll be replacing these 2 screws with. So it should be a pretty easy fix here. Door closed. Alright, so now I'm going to take this unit off now, the initial unit off. I'm going to use a flathead, which is, this is a flathead, if everybody doesn't know. I'm sure most people know, so I'm going to keep on moving on. And I'm going to remove this screw here. There's 2 long screws there. You see how long it took me to get them out. Look at the back, there's some basically just Cat 5 wire. Let me zoom in here for a second. Look at the wire in here, it's like regular Cat 5 wire. Look at there's regular Cat 5 wire. You just put it up. It's going off 2 and 2 to each side. Doesn't make a difference which side you put it on, really. It has just enough energy to operate a light bulb and a doorbell, which is pretty much nothing. Get it off there. So now we're going to do is install the new one. We're going to open up this trusty dusty unit here. So you look at the back of this. This has the 2 holes here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this wire here around the. We're going to loosen this up. And we're going to wrap it on this wire here. Take these wires, twist them around like this, so we get a good connection here. We're going to wrap them around and we're going to put them right over underneath this one here, which is our top. Like I said, it doesn't make a difference what color, which side you hook up to where, as long as you get it, make it a good connection. Like I said, it's Cat 5 wire, so it's not going to, famous last words, right? It's not going to hurt you. Take the bottom off here. Look at here. Let me zoom in a little bit more in case you want to see it. There's that. Now remove this here. Remove this here. And you hear it. See the light, and it's working now. So what I want to do now is I'm going to lift the camera up a little bit more here and zoom out a little bit more. So what I want to do is reinstall the doorbell back to the holes that were already there. I'm going to push the Cat 5 wire in so that it stays dry. So now the doorbell's back here. What I'm just going to grab the two screws that came with it, which we're going to put in the top here. We're going to line it with the hole. And we're going to drop it on the ground. And we're going to pick it up. And first we're going to line with the hole first. And make sure we get all our wires behind this, because once we put it on, we're not taking it off. There we go. Going to go into the existing holes that were already there. See? And I could just use my electric. Alright, so now let's just make sure it goes in tight with my electric. I know I said I didn't want to use this, but I'm going to use it anyway, because guess what? Yeah, I'm just Ron. I don't care. And now it's been updated. Hear the bell ringing there? Lights on. We're good to go. I want to put a little bit of caulk around the outside here. Not to look tacky, but just to fill the holes in on this side. This side here is pretty much already flush. That is how you install a doorbell. That's how you install a doorbell. There's no need to turn the power off or anything. If it's Cat 5 wire here, if you have an older model home, maybe you better check the wires, but if you say than sorry. I'll put a little caulk here because the new doorbell is a little bit thinner, but I'll just caulk that up here with light caulk just to go over here. I'll do clear so no one will be able to tell it. Alright, there we go. That's how you do the install for the doorbell. Like I say, I knocked my price off this, but the price tag here on top so you can see this awesome deal I got. And there's the doorbell and it's lit up now, so now when people come in the dark they can see the doorbell. Everybody, if you like this video, hit the bell up top, put down like. If you dislike, tell me why you dislike it and we can have a conversation about it. And everybody take care, be safe. Just Ron is out.